We'll build a small RPG battle system using 3 Java classes. A game character manages its own stats and actions, a battle orchestrates the fight, and main kicks everything off. This project demonstrates encapsulation, composition, and delegation, core OOP concepts. We declare a character with a name, health, attack power, and defense. The isDefending flag indicates whether the character is bracing. The constructor sets initial values and starts with defending off. Name, attack power, and defense are final, they don't change after creation. Simple getters expose the character's properties. IsAlive checks if health is above 0, the condition for continuing the fight. These methods give other classes read-only access to the character's state. Attack first checks if the attacker is alive. It rolls a random base damage between 1 and attack power. The target's calculate damage received method applies defense and the defending flag to compute actual damage. Then the target's health is reduced, and we print the result. Attacking cancels the attacker's own defending stance. Defend simply sets the flag to true, printing a message. Calculate damage received computes damage after reduction. If defending, the reduction is double the base defense, otherwise it's the normal defense value. After applying, defending ends, 1 turn effect. The result is never negative. ToString returns a compact status line. For example, hero, HP, 80. This will be used by battle to display the current state. Battle stores the 2 opponents and a scanner for user input. The constructor receives the characters and initializes the scanner. This class controls the fight loop. Start prints a message, then loops while both are alive. Each iteration, show status, let the player choose an action, check if enemy died, then the enemy takes its turn. After the loop, end battle announces the result. Show status prints both characters. Player turn reads the user's choice and calls the corresponding method. Enemy turn implements a trivial AI, if the enemy's health is low, it defends, otherwise attacks. End battle prints the outcome and closes the scanner. Main creates a hero and a goblin with specific stats. It then creates a battle object and starts it. This separates the game's setup from the logic, making it easy to modify or extend. The game continues until one character's health reaches 0, then displays the victory or defeat message. You've built a complete RPG battle system in pure Java. This project demonstrates encapsulation, composition, and user interaction. You can expand it with more character types, spells, or inventory systems to deepen your understanding of object-oriented design.